Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Contact. Now click on the one that you wish to set up. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you wish to delete one of them, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and tap on Remove in the pop-up. In order to change placement of them, click on Reorder at the top right corner and then pick the order. In order to discard it, click on X at the top left corner, and to save it, select Save at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!